Hi guys, my name is Mareta Zirana. I'm from D3 Electronics Engineering Study Program Class 1 EB. Here I will provide information about 5 types of threads. For the first, we have a saw thread. This thread can be found on house door locks. Second, triangle thread. Usually, this thread can be found in the rear view mirror that function on a motorcycle. Third, radius thread. An example of a radius threaded object is a lamp. Fourth, trapezium thread. This thread can be found at the fan joint. Fifth, square thread. We can find this thread in the often closed chuck of the lid. Okay, that's all I can say in this video. Thank you for watching.